Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix drifting or ghosting movement on your PSP thumbstick. So basically what you'll need to do is the first things first, test your joystick if it is working or not. So you can do that by going into internet browser or internet like this, and basically now you will need to use your thumbstick and see if this arrow goes fast or slow. If it goes slow in one or other direction, it means that your joystick is probably bad. And this can happen if you changed the faceplate and it is not OEM, or you can basically change the joystick. So if you changed the joystick, it can be a problem. So first of all, let's calibrate it and see if that fixes the issue. So basically, if you go to the settings and scroll down until you see system settings, click on the system settings, then scroll down until you see system information, and right here, if you go 20 times the clockwise turn, you'll basically calibrate this thumbstick. So you need to go 20 times and basically it should calibrate it. So let's go around again like this and it should be calibrated. And what we'll need to do is now test again. If this works, it works. If not, you will need to take your PSP apart. So it is not that hard. You'll need to remove the battery, 2 screws there and there, and basically probably this one screw to take the faceplate off. And basically here you will see the contacts and you'll need to clean those with the alcohol or something like that. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.